Hello kids, clap with me, right? Hello kids, clap with me. Convy, let's learn numbers happily. Learning numbers is fun today. Sing and count along this way. Number one, big and bright. Only one thing in our sight. One sun shining in the sky. One bird flying way up high. One apple red and round. One drum makes a boom boom sound. Clap one time, everybody clap. Jump one time, tap tap tap. Number one, say it loud. Oh, number one, feeling proud. Oh, number two, now let's move to number two. Count with me and you. Two eyes blinking, open and closing. Two hands clapping, touch your nose. And two stars shining in the night cold. Two butterflies, such a sight. Clap two times, one, two. Jump two times, me and you. Number two, say it true. Number two, number three, let's count more, come and see. Now we learn number three. Three balloons floating high. Three fish swimming, passing by. Three cakes on a plate, and they look yummy, they look great. Clap one, two, three with cheer. Jump one, two, three, no fear. Number three, whoop, loud and free. Whoop. Number three, whoop, count with me. Whoop. Number four, are you ready? Let's explore. Now we learn number four. Four wheels on a little car. Out four legs on a chair so far. Four ducks swimming in a row. Quack, 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 they go. Clap one, two, three, four. Stomp your feet and count some more. Number four, hear us roar. Number four, once more. Oh, number five, let's count high, let's count alive. Now we learn number five. Five little fingers look and see. Wave your hand and count with me. Five stars shining bright. Five frogs jumping left and right. Fine, they look yummy, yummy, super nice. Clap one, two, three, four, five. Number five, shining bright, we learn numbers. Great job tonight.